Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new lesson of EVS, that is lesson number 4 from book 4, The Art of Pottery. Things we make and do. Unit 5, lesson number 4, The Art of Pottery. Let's start. Color the things made of clay. Here you are going to color the things whichever is shown in this picture. Bowl is there, jar is there, cup, piggy bank and chair. So you are going to color it. As it is made up of clay, you can use brown color mostly for the coloring. The art of pottery was developed with the invention of potter's wheel by the early man. So potter's wheel is the wheel on which such type of pottery things are made of clay. So clay was used to make pots of various shapes and sizes. They decorated their pots with designs and patterns. This was the beginning of the art of pottery. So how it was invented, it is given here. The invention of potter's wheel was done by the early man, जे जुन्या काळातले लोक होते त्यांनी, because in that period there was no utensils made up of steel, iron, copper, aluminium, all this. So before that there was invention of vessels made up of clay. They were designed very nicely and colored also in the different patterns. म्हणजे त्यांचा shape, size was different. Now we'll see the first point, the art of pottery. Pots were shaped like bowls in the past. They were made by pinching and coiling methods. This method is used even now. Now pinching and coiling method is shown in the pictures. Pinching means हाताने pinch करून करून त्याला shape दिला जायचा. A lump of clay was taken. It was pinched between fingers and thumb to give it the desired shape. And what is coiling? Coiling, the clay was rolled into ropes. Then ropes were then coiled and pressed onto each other to make pots. Means छोटे छोटे रॉड लाईक स्ट्रक्चर्सचे बनवले जायचे आणि ते एकावरती एक ठेवून त्याला शेप दिला जायचा. लाईक नावडेज वी डू विथ द न्यूजपेपर. आपण त्याचे पाईप्ससारखे शेप बनवतो आणि ते एकमेकांवरती चिटकून कसं पेन स्टँड अँड ऑल दॅट वी मेक, सेम द प्रोसेस इज यूज हिअर. That is called as coiling method. Now steps in making pottery. So first step, what is important is the right clay. The selection of clay is important. आपण कसलीही माती घेऊन नाही चालत. It is the clay which is suitable for pots, making of pots, only that type of clay is used here. Then water is added to knead it into dough. जसं आपण कणिक मळतो, सेम हिअर water is added one by one slowly and then it is knead into a dough, means चिखलाचा गोळा. Third, then the clay is made into different shaped objects using hand building methods and wheel method. Then it is given different shapes with the hand method or the wheel method. Then the objects are baked in furnace to make them stronger. Furnace is like oven. Here the pots are baked to make them very strong. The objects are then painted and decorated. As shown in the picture, you can see the painted pots are shown here, and also designs are done on it. That is called as decorating pots. We'll see what is decorating. Pots are decorated beautifully using different designs and colors. Indian pottery is very popular. Different styles are used in different states of India. Now here we can see different pictures of the pots. See how beautifully they are designed. Also shapes are very nice. look around your home and school. Do you see any pot? What is it used for? In houses, mostly we use that pot which we use to make the water cool. We called it that pot for water, dera, madka, whatever, surai. So these things are mostly nowadays we use only for water, not for any other purpose. Now, which are the popular one? Ghara and surahi for storing water. Then pickles, lonchachi barni, it is also always made up of mud or clay. Then handi for cooking, it is like a kadai. Then toys are there for playing, mud toys are available in the market. Then ghatum, a musical instrument used in Carnatic music. Carnatic music is a type of music. Here the music is given on this ghatum. It is made up of clay. Then also we use planters. We also called it as pots for the plants. So these are the different popular pots used. Now earthen lamps are also in Diwali. We use clay lamp. Always we prefer it. Then piggy banks are made up of always mud, because to remove the money from the bank is easy when it is made up of mud. Then coolers for drinking liquids. चहाचे कप पण मिळतात आता असे मातीचे. So they are called as coolers for drinking liquids. Any liquid you can drink from this. Not only tea but milk also. Any sweet dish also you can drink with this help of coolers. Then this was the last point. Now we'll see the keywords: pottery and art of pottery. These are the two keywords, important words. Pottery means making of different kinds of pots from clay, and art of pottery means the way of making pots with special methods. Now let's recall. The art of pottery developed with the invention of the wheel. Pots were made by pinching and coiling methods on a potter's wheel in the past. Steps in making pottery are selecting clay, kneading, using water to make a dough, shaping it, and baking in a furnace. After baking in a furnace, the pots are decorated using different designs and colors. So these are the steps. Now let's find out two areas that were greatly affected by the invention of wheel, and why do people use earthen pots to store water in summer. So these are easy answer, you can find out on yourself, find out, and if possible send me the picture. So we have finished our last lesson of this portion of term 2. Lesson number 5 we are not going to take it for term 2, it is deleted from the portion. So by this lesson we finish our term 2 portion. Read lesson again, find out more informations, color the pictures of Let's Start, do your homework and send it to me. For today we'll stop here. Thank you.